Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Ethiopian soup, focusing on its unique and flavorful characteristics. Ethiopian cuisine is renowned for its rich, aromatic dishes, and soup is no exception. We'll explore the essential ingredients and techniques that give these soups their distinctive taste. Get ready to discover the secrets behind a truly authentic and satisfying Ethiopian soup experience, perfect for any home cook. The heart of Ethiopian soup lies in its unique spices. Berber, a vibrant red blend of chilies, garlic, and various warm spices, provides both heat and depth. Then there's Kibe, a clarified butter infused with herbs and spices, which adds an unparalleled richness. These, combined with sautéed onions, garlic, and fresh ginger, create a fragrant foundation. Red lentils are a popular choice, offering a satisfying and nutritious base for many traditional soups. The cooking process begins by slowly sautéing finely chopped onions, sometimes dry, to develop their sweetness. Next, the Berber, minced garlic, and grated ginger are added, cooking until their aromas fill your kitchen. After this, rinsed red lentils and water or broth are introduced, and the mixture is brought to a boil before simmering gently. This slow simmer allows the flavors to meld beautifully, resulting in a deeply satisfying soup. Remember to taste and adjust the salt and spice levels as it cooks. Ethiopian soup is best enjoyed hot, either as a comforting main course or as part of a larger meal. Traditionally, it's served with injera, a unique, spongy flatbread that's perfect for scooping up every last drop. You can also garnish your soup with fresh cilantro or a dollop of plain yogurt for an extra layer of flavor. This hearty and aromatic dish is a true taste of Ethiopia. And speaking of staying refreshed, check out the O Ala water bottle link in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.